Today, I am reviewing the HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a budget-friendly laptop that promises high-end specs like 32 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, you have probably stumbled across this specific HP 15.6-inch model. On paper, these numbers look like they belong to a professional workstation, but after spending a week using this machine for my daily office tasks, I have some very specific thoughts on whether those specs actually translate into a better experience or if they're just there to look good on a spec sheet. You can check the links below the video if you want to see the current pricing or explore the full details for yourself, but stick around because the reality of how this laptop performs might surprise you. Let's start with the processor. This is an Intel Core i3-N305. It is an 8-core chip, which sounds impressive, but it is important to remember that this is an efficiency-focused processor, not a powerhouse meant for heavy video editing or complex 3D rendering. In my testing, it handled web browsing with 20 tabs open, basic document editing in Word, and streaming video without any stuttering. Because the laptop comes with 32 GB of RAM, the system stays incredibly responsive when you are multitasking. You can jump between a spreadsheet, a browser, and a video call without that annoying lag you often get on cheaper laptops. That is the real strength of this configuration. You aren't buying this for raw processing speed, but you are buying it for a smooth, stutter-free multitasking experience that is surprisingly rare at this price point. The display is a standard 15.6-inch Full HD panel. It gets the job done for office work and watching movies, but do not expect professional-grade color accuracy. It is bright enough for indoor use, but if you are working near a window with direct sunlight, you will notice some glare. The build quality feels exactly like what you would expect from an HP laptop in this tier. It is made primarily of plastic, which helps keep the weight down to about 3.5 pounds. It feels sturdy enough for a home office or to throw in a backpack for school, but I wouldn't go throwing it around carelessly. It is thin, it is portable, and it looks professional enough for any meeting. Now, let's talk about the storage and the included extras. Having a 1TB SSD is a massive quality of life upgrade. You can store your entire photo library, thousands of documents, and plenty of software without ever worrying about clearing space. HP also throws in an 8-in-1 USB hub and a flash drive in the bundle. Honestly, these are helpful additions. Most modern laptops are stingy with ports, so having that hub ready to go out of the box saves you an extra trip to the store. If you are a student or a remote worker, having that extra connectivity right away is a nice touch that adds actual value to the package. If you are curious about what else comes in the box or want to see the current price, check the links below the video. However, I need to be honest about who this laptop is not for. If you are a gamer, look elsewhere. While the RAM is plentiful, the integrated graphics on the i3-N305 chip will struggle with anything beyond light casual gaming or browser-based titles. If you are a creative professional doing heavy 4K video editing or complex graphic design, you will find the processor to be a bottleneck. The system is designed for productivity, not for crunching heavy media files. Also, while the battery life is rated for up to 10 hours, real-world usage is closer to 6 or 7 hours if you're actually doing work and keeping the screen brightness up. It will get you through most of a workday, but you'll still want to keep your charger nearby. Another thing to keep in mind is the Windows 11 Pro installation. It is great for security and business features, but if you are just a casual user, it might be more than you need. The inclusion of the MS Office suite is a huge perk that saves you the annual subscription headache, and having Copilot AI baked into the OS does make certain tasks like summarizing documents or adjusting system settings a bit faster. It is a very streamlined experience, but make sure you are comfortable with the Windows ecosystem before you commit. Ultimately, this HP laptop is a bit of a contradiction. It has high-end memory and storage paired with a budget-tier processor. For most people, students, office workers, and home users, this is actually a perfect balance. You get the snappy, responsive feel of a high-end machine because of the massive RAM, but you don't pay the premium price for a processor you don't actually need. It is a practical, no-nonsense workhorse. If you prioritize space and fluid multitasking over raw gaming power, this is a very strong contender. Just don't expect it to replace a dedicated gaming rig or a high-end workstation. If you found this review helpful, check the links below the video to see the current price and availability. It is a solid machine for the right person, but make sure your needs align with what this hardware is built to do.